Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 2 of our clearance event deals. And in this one, we're going to be going over laundry products. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. All right, now let's go ahead and jump right in. So just in case you haven't heard, we have a Dollar General clearance event that is going to start on Friday, June the 9th and run through Sunday, June the 11th. So that means that we are going to have tons and tons and tons of items that are going to be an additional 50 or 70% off depending on your store. Now, I have already uploaded several videos talking about the Dollar General clearance event, as well as our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. So if you have missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out, because you are not going to want to miss out on these deals. So I'm going to have all those videos listed and linked for you in the pinned comment right down below this video. Now let's go ahead and jump right in and take a look at all of these amazing laundry deals that will be included in this Dollar General clearance event. There are so many amazing deals in this category, plus we have all kinds of coupon matchups. So lots of really awesome deals out there. Now, I will say that a lot of these products were included in our last Dollar General clearance event, which was about a month ago. Now, in previous years, Dollar General has typically spaced out their clearance events more than this. So we've had a few months in between clearance events to kind of prepare and look for items and all that good stuff. However, Dollar General surprised us again this month. So starting on Friday, that is going to be when the clearance event starts. It's going to end on Sunday, June the 11th. Now, I'm not going to say this with 100% certainty, but I'll just say that a little birdie told me, pretty reliable source, that Dollar General right now, they have a massive amount of overstock. So the warehouses are having a hard time getting these products out. It's just kind of been backed up since the what happened a couple of years ago and everything got locked down, if you know what I'm saying. So ever since then, Dollar General has been trying to catch back up. So they just have a ton of products that they need to move. So I think that might have something to do with why we are having another Dollar General clearance event so soon. Either way, I'm not complaining, because I am really excited to get out there and see what all deals I can find. Now, I will say that between the paper products and the laundry products, those 2 categories are the hot ticket items. So these will be a little bit harder to find, and it's really just going to depend on your store and your area, how many couponers you have in your area, how many people in your area pay attention to these Dollar General clearance events. And like I've said in the past, you really just don't know what you're going to get with a Dollar General clearance event until you just get out there and start shopping and see what all you can find. So for instance, I know that in my area, there are probably 6 or 7 other really hardcore couponers. But during the last clearance event, there were 2 stores near me that I did not visit. And I guess I just kind of assumed that by now, those stores would probably be wiped out of all the clearance laundry and paper products. However, I went in there just the other day and I found a whole end cap completely full of those Downy Unstoppable and Drift scent beads. I could not even believe that there were that many still on the shelf right there on an end cap. So I'm definitely going to be making a trip back to that store this weekend during the clearance event. However, I have also decided that I think I'm going to be traveling outside of my area and visiting some other Dollar General stores that I normally don't shop at, because like I've mentioned to y'all over the last couple of weeks, I have traveled to some other counties, surrounding counties and things like that, and I've went to some new Dollar Generals, and I'm just going to tell you all, I've been finding some really, really good stuff out there. So y'all don't be afraid. If you have the means to get out and go Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, go and visit a few stores that you normally don't shop at and just see what's going on. Like I said, you never know what you're going to find. You might run across a 70 or 75% off store. I mean, I have even ran into Dollar Generals where they are already marked down at 70% off, and then they take an additional 50% off at the register. So again, you just never know until you get out there and visit your own local Dollar Generals. Alright guys, now we are already about halfway through this video, so I'm just going to give you guys some last minute quick tips. As always, remember to scan before you go up to the register. Now, when you get up to the register, whether you go through a regular register with a cashier or if you go through self-checkout, make sure that you pay attention to what those items are ringing up for. Because we are not going to Dollar General this weekend to waste money. We are going to save money. So if you have an item that rings up full price or if it rings up more than you expected it to, just go ahead and ask the cashier to void that item off of your transaction. Don't pay for it just because you don't want to ask. Go ahead and ask them. They can easily take it off and it's no big deal. Now, I also want to say, if you do go to a store where they have the new touchscreen registers, or if you go through a self-checkout, sometimes those discounts do not get applied until the cashier hits total or you hit pay now on the self-checkout. So just keep that in mind. If an item scans at full price, you might get to the end and all those discounts come off for you. So one thing that I like to do during these clearance events is, as I'm going through the store and shopping and as I'm scanning items, I have a piece of paper and a pen and I'm writing down the prices, and then once I get done and I get ready to go up to the register, I can just simply add all those prices up and then I will know exactly what to expect once the cashier hits total, or if I go through self-checkout, I'll know what the subtotal should be. Now, another thing I want you guys to remember is to make sure that you have your correct store location set during the Dollar General clearance event, because this is going to vary from store to store. You might go into one store and it's an additional 50% off. You might get to the next store 5 minutes down the road and they are taking an additional 70% off. So always make sure that you have your correct store location set in your Dollar General app. Now, a few more things that I want you guys to keep in mind. Number one, don't forget about our apps. So we do have free digital manufacturer coupons on the Alexa, Shopium, and coupons.com apps. We also have free printable coupons on the coupons.com app if your Dollar General takes printable coupons. And then we also have free printable coupons on the P&G Good Everyday Rewards. So y'all make sure that you check out all of those, as well as our rebate apps like Fetch, Ibotta, Shopkick, Inbox Dollars. And I'm going to have all of those rebate apps and links for you in the pinned comment down below. So make sure that y'all go and check it out. And of course, y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on your notifications, because I have more clearance event deals to share with y'all. We have tons of food, we have personal care items, tons of coupon matchups that you guys are going to want to know about. So make sure that you have those notifications turned on. And before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.